We just want these names. That's all. And we could use text to columns, right? Because like this LSW, there's a comma, comma. But here's three commas, three commas. We don't need all of that. Okay, so we are going to go to first put this into a table.
Always step one.
That's right. And then Power Query from table. What we're going to do now is split column by delimiter at the leftmost delimiter. Now you know with text to columns, if you did this with a comma, it's got to do the comma or not, right? So if we did the commas in text to columns, it's going to push Charles Yoshi and make 4 columns, right? It's not just going to do one. So in Power Query, we have a choice. We can do the leftmost, rightmost, or each occurrence. So I'm going to do the leftmost because I only want the names. Okay. Now I notice this. There's a space there. So we've got to deal with that. Transform, trim. Great. Okay, so now the code is being recorded over here. Right, so I've got the data. I want to say close and load.
Wow.
Now this is one thing that I don't like. I'm going to put this date back to a short date. All right, so that's great. But wait a minute. Gosh darn it. There were these other names down here. Somebody tricked me. We'll go up here. The table absorbs it. I'll go back over here, and I want to refresh. Oh, God, look what happened. Oh, my gosh. Look at that. It trimmed the extra space out and everything. That's Power Query. That's Power Query. And we have the date format set.
That is awesome.
That is awesome.
Oh, my gosh.
And
Can the church say amen?
You know what I'm loving about that, aside from the fact that it's a really cool tip, is that as excited as Oz and I'm sure people who are watching are about that tip, the world I came from when PASS started in SQL Server, that's the kind of stuff that the SQL Server crowd also digs, right? So this is really a great synergy here. This kind of geeking out over the power of what you can do with your tools.
Okay.
That's very cool.
Wow.